there's going to be a performance done by the kindergarten called Our God Reigns. So please give a warm welcome to them as they come on stage. Amen.
I see the sounds and angels sing, holy, holy, holy is the Lord. Let us see the sounds and elders gather in worship round your throne. There's only one desire in the heart of your redeemed, to step deeper in the place where earth and heaven meet, with a sound like rushing waters. We sing blessing, honor, and praise with one voice that rose like thunder. Every tongue will now proclaim, our God reigns, our God reigns. For we long to hear the nations declaring you are Lord of everything. Every king and every ruler throwing down their crowns at their feet. All majesty and power on the earth and up above. And the truly only God, who was and is to come, with a sound like rushing waters. We sing blessing, honor, and praise with one voice that roars like thunder. Every tongue will now proclaim, our God reigns, our God reigns, our God reigns, our God reigns. There's only one desire in the heart of your redeemed, to step deeper in the place where earth and heaven meet, to step deeper in the place where earth and heaven meet, with a sound like rushing waters. We
Clap it up again for them, please.